Wagwan family, so today may I share with you my Caribbean Reggae Punch recipe. So I have some beets and carrots, I peel them and wash them and dice them up in cubes. Now I add them to the blender, add water, cover the blender and blend them until it comes smooth. So now I strain it off, squeeze out the juice from the pulp. So here I had like 2 cups of the beets to the blender. Now I add pumpkin seed. Now I add some sea moss gel, some nutmeg powder, some cinnamon powder, and blend. So now I'm adding it back to the bowl. Here I add some Supligen, 1 Guinness, some sweet condensed milk. Now I mix it together. Now I'm going to pour it into a glass. My people, don't stood up on this recipe, so good. Share this recipe to a man who cannot last long in the bedroom. It will help him.